Hey guys! So in a recent call, the question came up how to get your face into a Canva document with a transparent background so you can create a YouTube thumbnail. So I thought I'd just hop on here really quick and show you how to do that. When I create thumbnails for YouTube, I usually just use the presentation size, the preset sizing that Canva has. So let's just create a new document with that. Let's just give it a background color here. That's pretty bright, but maybe that's what we want for YouTube. And we need some text. And now we want to add a logo really quick. There. So, and now we want to add a photo. I usually just use a screenshot of me talking in the video. So I already uploaded one here a little bit earlier. I'm just going to use an example from an old video. So let's just use this one. So as you can see, this is literally just a screenshot from the video. And I'm going to bring it up to size here. And now we want to get rid of the background. And if you have a Canva Pro account, Canva has a really cool feature that makes this super easy. And it's called the background remover. So you just click on the image and you click on the background remover and it removes the background for you. And it looks really awesome. So I'm going to have to edit this picture a little bit. Actually, let me just change the background here. Let's see if we can find something that looks a little bit better. Maybe the dark one. That looks pretty good. Let's make some adjustments here. There, that looks pretty good. And I would just bring the picture to the front. And if you don't like the way your picture looks, and if the picture is a little bit too pixelated because it's just a screenshot from your video, there's actually another great Canva feature that you can use to pretty up that picture a little bit with AI's help. So you select your photo and then you click on edit up here and you go into the app section and you find an app called Image Upscaler. There it is. You just click on that and then, you can tell it how much you want to upscale it. It tells me it's already high resolution because it was a screenshot, but you can still upscale the image and it's going to look more like an AI picture. So if you want to do that, I just want to show you what that looks like. There you can see what it looks like before and after. It's a little bit hard to tell in a small picture, but if you click on replace, it's going to upload the new updated version of your image and replace it in your document, and then you can see what it looks like. There you go. This is me before AI and this is me after AI. So you just got to play around with it a little bit and see what it comes up with. But you don't have to do this. It works just with a photo if you have good lighting. This is what it would look like as a thumbnail. And then you can just click on share, download, and download it as a JPEG or a PNG, and then upload it to your YouTube account. Super easy. If you have any questions about Canva or design or anything else, just send me a DM or drop it in the comments or whatever. I'm happy to answer them. Hope that's helpful.